Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Inspired Living with Denise. So today I will be doing a 4-minute whole body Tabata yoga workout. So please make sure that you start with the warm-up before you do these exercises, and always make sure that you warm down. I find using a block might be better for your wrist, so feel free to use 2 blocks, or you don't have to. Totally up to you. Okay? Make sure to breathe, enjoy, have fun. Let's go. We're going to start in downward facing dog, and then we're going to go to plank, okay? Because we are doing a lot of repetitions, I will be modifying just to conserve our wrists, okay? So 3, 2, 1, coming forward to plank and back to downward dog. You can modify, tap the knees down, take it to downward dog. Okay, plank, downward dog, plank, downward dog, plank, downward dog, plank, downward dog, 3 more seconds, and rest, okay? Then we're gonna set up for plank and chaturanga. Here we go. So chaturanga, plank, chaturanga, plank, chaturanga. Keep drawing your navel in, lengthening your chest forward, okay? Keep grounding down into the fingertips, especially if you're feeling pain in the wrists. Breathing through it, 3 more seconds. You've got this. So we are going to add on plank, chaturanga, plank to downward dog, plank, chaturanga, plank to downward dog, plank, knees down, chaturanga, plank to downward dog, plank, knees down, chaturanga, and resting. Again, we're going to add on here. So starting in plank, we're going to go to chaturanga, go into upward dog, your knees can stay down, come back to chaturanga, plank, okay? Chaturanga, upward dog, chaturanga, plank. Chaturanga, upward dog, chaturanga, plank, and rest. Okay, from here, whole sequence. Downward dog, plank, knees down, chaturanga, upward dog, back to chaturanga, plank, add in that downward dog. Plank, knees down, chaturanga, upward dog, reverse, chaturanga, plank, downward dog, and rest. Okay, we're gonna get ready for the whole thing now. Ready? And downward dog, plank, chaturanga, upward dog, and then straight to downward dog. Repeat. Plank, knees down, chaturanga, upward dog. Okay, modify all through 4s. Curl the toes, downward dog. Okay, let's do that one more time. And then straight to rest. From here, we're going to practice our jump. So downward dog. High, come forward, back. Come forward, downward dog. Toes, forward, downward dog. Toes, forward, downward dog. Okay, rest. Last set, putting it all together. Here we go. Okay, jump forward, jump back. Come forward to plank. Knees down, chaturanga. Take it to upward dog. Downward dog. Jump, downward dog, forward, knees down, upward dog, take it to downward dog, and rest. And then just make sure that you do your warm down, stretching it out. Do some roller coasters with your hands.
Whew, okay guys, I won't lie. I took an hour hot yoga class before filming this, and I also filmed it numerous times, so that was an amazing workout. So I hope you found this to be a challenging workout as well. Please comment below and let me know if you have any questions, and I would be happy to help. There's always modifications and tips that I can offer you if something just isn't working. Thanks again for joining me in on this 4-minute whole body Tabata yoga workout. If you have been loving my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share this with anyone that you think might also find value in them as well. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.